The country has gotten the clearest indication yet that more states of emergency will be declared by year end. During a tour in Western Jamaica, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson signaled that he will be recommending another round of the security measure in parishes with high crime rates. Anthony Lugg has the details.
The SOEs, which were implemented on December 6th to cauterize the bloodletting across the island, ended on Tuesday, and since then, many Jamaicans have been wondering what's next. This was Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson following a visit to the Trelawney Divisional Headquarters on Thursday.
Where we have had an SOE in place, I am certainly going to ask that we declare again in some of those spaces. We might change the boundaries a bit, but there are still places where the problem hasn't gone away, and we're going to need those measures again in the last part of the year and into the first part of next year.
With thousands of police deployed across the island to combat crime and ease traffic congestion over the holiday period, it's left to be seen how things will unfold in the days ahead. In the meantime, Major General Anderson is insisting the operations will continue.
So we should be seeing declines in parishes, whether there's an SOE in place or not, because the ones where the SOE are, that's what's necessary there. In the ones where that's not what is necessary, we use other methods.
Meanwhile, with growing concerns about migrating criminals in Trelawney, Head of the Area 1 Police, Assistant Commissioner Clifford Chambers, says several persons have been nabbed.
We will continue to have border blocks, we'll continue to have cross-division activity, and so when St. James is doing well, we'll be expecting Trelawney to be doing well, as also Westmoreland and Hanover. So it is that cross-divisional effort and our linked investigation that will continue our posture going into the end of the year and the beginning of 2023.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.